Yes, my people, today I'm going to show you how to color grade your footage and turn it from its original raw format to this. This is an up and coming artist that I'm working with. He goes by the name of Bradley Winter. I'm going to leave his details in the description below. Check out his new single right now. Okay guys, let's jump straight into it. First thing we're going to do right now is I shot this footage on a Blackmagic 6K. So I'm going to go to my top left and I'm going to click my source and I'm going to change my raw from the camera metadata to clip. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my color space and I'm going to change it to Rec 709. As you can see, it's added a little bit of color. I'm then going to check my highlight recovery. And as you can see already, it's recovered a lot of the highlights. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my window and I'm going to select my Lumetri scopes. And as you can see here, it's brought up a few scopes to look at, okay? I've selected my waveforms, which shows you in your footage your lights and your darks. I've got my RGB here, which is all about the color. And then I have my vector, which tells you what colors are in the footage. And as you can see, we've got some blue here, a little bit of green here. And yeah, this is the basis of what I use before I start. I then go into my Lumetri color and I go into my basic correction. And the first thing I'm going to do here is noticing from my footage, it is quite bright. It's lacking color. So I'm going to play around with my blacks and I'm going to bring that down. And I'm going to look at my waveform and I can see it reducing. So I'm going to take that down up to like close to 0 as I can. My whites, I'm also going to decrease that a little bit. And I'm going to bring my shadows down a bit more. I'm going to keep my highlights just maybe a little bit up. And I'm going to add a little bit of contrast, which gives it a bit of color. I'm then going to click my white balance selector. And I'm going to click the white points of this footage to auto adjust my white balance. And there you go. It's auto adjust it for me. So now, at this point, I'm going to increase my saturation as well, just a little bit to add a little bit of color. So I'll probably move it to 115. And yeah, if we have a look so far at what we've done, we've gone from that to this. So already there's progress, which is really good. Next thing I'm going to do now, because I want to push the colors a bit more, I'm going to create an adjustment layer. You can go to new item and click your adjustment layer, but I already have one here. So I'm just going to drag it on top of my footage and I'm going to send it all the way. Next thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to go straight to my curves and I'm going to decrease my shadows down, my midtones, and I'm going to increase my highlights. So as you can see here, I've created like an S-shaped curve here already, which has added quite a bit of color to my footage, which is really good. And then I'm going to go straight to my HSL secondary. Now if you don't know what this is, this allows you to modify a color without changing the other colors around. So for example, if I select my blue tones now, start adjusting it, I'm only affecting and only the blue tones. And then I'm going to select my green tone as well. I'm going to start adjusting. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my correction panel, which is here, and I'm going to bring that close to a teal type of look. So to give it that coolness, so more like as you can see, if I bring it around there, it's giving it more of a cool kind of look. And then I'm going to play with my contrast a little bit. Might bring it up a little bit. As you can see, if I bring it up, it affects the footage. I'm only going to bring up a little bit, and I'm going to maybe decrease my saturation just a little bit. But as you can see, if we disable our adjustment layer, you can already see a difference in the grade. Final thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my creative tab and I'm going to just increase the sharpness of my footage and bring the vibrance a little bit. And yeah guys, there you have it. Just a light color grade without using LUTs. Yeah guys, so that's how you do it. So that's how we went from this to this. If you guys like what you've seen, please like, comment and subscribe. If you want to learn anything else about color grading, then guys, yeah, just please leave comments and I'll get back to you. And yeah, man, I'm working on more in-depth videos on how to color grade and also the process of showing you how to use it on other softwares like DaVinci Resolve. But yeah, guys, see you on the next one. Have a blessed day, my people.